powerful computer tips you didn't know exist. These tips will help you free up space on your computer. Click the Window button plus R. Then type in WS Reset and click OK. This will clear the cache for the Window Store. And once it's done, it will redirect you to the Window Store. Here is the second tip. Click the Window button plus R again. And type in Prefetch. Then click on OK. This might pop up, just click on Continue. It will show you a list of files that are taking up your space. Just select all of them, then click on Delete. Important files will refuse to delete, just skip on them. And here's the third tip. Head over to the search bar. Then search for Disk Cleanup. Select Run it as administrator. It will start to load, then it will redirect you to this interface, where you can choose the box of files you will like to delete. Select the one of your choices and click on OK.
On you. Follow for more.